In today's video, you will learn how to utilize the Cascade feature. Similar to the Choose function, Cascading allows the user to view different page filter options on a template, but in the form of separate tabs or separate files. In general, you can use the Cascade function on any template or report which has a selectable page filter option. Our page filter selection is currently set to the site dimension. In today's example, we're going to compare production forecasts between sites. So we're going to come up to the Vena ribbon, select Cascade, select the dimension of site, select two sites to compare, Denver and Pittsburgh, and select OK. As Vena is performing the Cascade, you can expect to see Pittsburgh and Denver now on two separate tabs with the exact same format, but relative to their particular information. Thank you for viewing this video on Cascading.